What are binary numbers? Those ones and zeros we see on Mark Zuckerberg memes. In order to understand what it is, we have to ask ourselves what numbers are. We all know what numbers are, or do we? Suppose you have a bunch of pigs and you want to convey how many pigs you have. How do you do it? It's easy, right? You take the set of natural numbers and you start pairing each pig with a natural number. When you run out of pigs, you know how many natural numbers you needed to pair each pig. What I just explained is a complicated process known as counting. The numbers you used here are called cardinal numbers. There are other types of numbers as well. Ordinal numbers define the position of a set whose elements are in a series. For example, the set of teams in the Premier League. Manchester City are first, Manchester United are second, Liverpool are third, and so on. Nominal numbers, on the other hand, define the name of any element in a set. For example, sports players often have numbers on their back which can help them in identifying the player, like Messi is 10, Ronaldo is 7, and so on. Let's get back to cardinal numbers. Back in the old days, when humans started to write, they needed a way to represent the numbers. The Western world developed a crappy system called the Roman numerals, which you all know sucked. Then came the Hindu-Arabic numerals, also known as the base 10 number system. In this system, we have 10 symbols designated for the base 10 numbers, and all numbers after that come from a combination of the same 10 numbers. We place a symbol at every digit of a number and know the value of that number. So what's so special with the number 10? The answer is not much. We have 10 fingers, so it is believed that the base 10 system originated from the fact that we could count 10 things at a time. But there are other systems with different bases as well. For example, hexadecimal number system has 16 as its base, meaning each digit could have 16 different values. Apart from 0 to 9, it has 6 additional characters, namely A, B, C, D, E, and F. A number like 8E0 in hexadecimals would be 2272. Binary number system works on the same principles. Can you guess the base of this system? It has only two values, which are 0 and 1. This is actually very useful in the world of computers as they work on Boolean logic. 0 or 1, true or false, on or off. You can do anything with combinations of just these two values. Processors of computers have a device known as transistors in them. In modern day devices, these transistors are incredibly small in the scale of nanometers. In a nutshell, they are nothing but switches. When the switch is on, it's in the 1 state, and when it's off, it's in the 0 state. Millions of transistors combine in specific ways to perform complex calculations that make a computer work. Transistors can combine to form logic gates which perform functions and can operate between 2 bits, but that is a topic for another video.